Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to export your Canva to Google Slides. So it's really simple. So open up your Canva right here and then go to share. From share you want to go to the see all button right here and then locate your Google Drive. From there you will have to save it in a folder right here. So we have a tester folder and then select your file type and then you can do your PPTX which is supported by your Google Slides right here or PDF standards which works also. So let's go with PPTX right here and save it. So once we are saved right here, we are gonna head into our Google Drive to view it in our own Google Slides. So let's go back right here and then we can open this right here using our Google Slides primarily. So once we open it, you'll see the same document basically right here. And there you go. So that is how you export Canva to Google Slides. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.